Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the scanner physically. Plug it into a powered USB or USB-C port and check the LED. Once done, open Device Manager, Windows, or System Information, Mac OS, to spot new hardware. This verifies electrical and bus recognition. Make sure you have admin access because driver installation requires elevated permissions. While the OS scans, locate the manufacturer driver package or assign driver. That preserves stability. Next, prepare the installation file so you can run it as administrator when prompted. You now install drivers and any middleware, run the vendor installer, and allow kernel mode driver signing if prompted, because unsigned drivers will be blocked. Once the driver is in place, install the scanner SDK or middleware. This exposes the API to authentication apps and enrollment utilities. Make sure to follow any sequence the vendor prescribes. Order matters for service registration. After installation, reboot the machine if requested to load kernel components. Then open the vendor utility to perform a quick self-test and device calibration. You finish by enrolling prints and testing. Use the vendor enrollment utility or the OS account settings to capture multiple impressions per finger. This improves matching. After enrollment, configure policies, timeout, required fingers, and fallback PIN so authentication behaves correctly. Test by locking the screen and authenticating multiple times. If something goes wrong, review Device Manager for error codes, confirm the driver version, try a different USB port or cable, and check the vendor log for sensor initialization failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.